Today, we're delving into an exciting topic that's been making waves across the globe: cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover the future of money. Segment 1: Understanding the Basics. Let's start by demystifying the basics. Cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, are digital or virtual currencies that utilize cryptography for security. But what sets them apart is the underlying technology called blockchain, a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This revolutionary technology has the potential to transform not just how we exchange value, but also how we interact with data and contracts. Segment 2: Adoption and Integration. Now, let's explore the real-world applications of cryptocurrencies and blockchain. From finance and supply chain management to healthcare and voting systems, industries are embracing this disruptive technology to streamline processes, enhance transparency, and reduce costs. But with great innovation comes great responsibility. We'll discuss the challenges and opportunities of widespread adoption and integration. Segment 3: Investing Wisely. Of course, many of you might be wondering about the investment potential of cryptocurrencies. While they offer exciting opportunities for growth, it's essential to approach them with caution and diligence. We'll delve into strategies for smart investing, including research, diversification, and risk management. Remember, knowledge is power when navigating this dynamic and volatile market. Segment 4: Shaping the Future. As we wrap up our exploration, it's clear that cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are reshaping the future of money and beyond. Whether you're a seasoned investor, a curious enthusiast, or a skeptic, it's crucial to stay informed and engaged in this rapidly evolving landscape. Together, let's embrace the opportunities and challenges of this digital revolution. Conclusion. Well, folks, that concludes our deep dive into the future of money. I hope you found this journey enlightening and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful discussions on finance and innovation. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep envisioning the possibilities of tomorrow.